Welcome back, YouTube, to another episode of Cadillac Chronicles. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, share the video, hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop new content. And anyways, man, let's get to it.
Open your mind to witness a phenomenon, estilo diferente that can never be compared to none. Pollo frito con tortillas de harina. Always stay cooking, the studio is my cocina. No mercy when it comes to this music. Everybody say they wreck, well they gonna have to prove it. Bittersweet cause there's no sugar added. Invested in some chairs cause these vatos couldn't stand me. Punchlines like celebrities with Perico. A 16-bar verse, the equivalent of a kilo. Dropping EP cause my albums were too lethal.
Now today on Cadillac Chronicles, we're gonna install these LED lights. I got this from the homie Frame. Special hookup, man. I appreciate you. Shout out to him. But anyways, we're gonna put these on the Cadillac, man, and it's something I wanted to do to my cars for a long time, but I never did. So these are gonna be on the inside. I will do ones on the outside eventually on the bottom of the car, but that's another episode. Today we're gonna do the inside lights. And remind you, I've never done this before, so bear with me and let's get going, man. Anyways, this is the product here. Now you can get this at Auto Parts, AutoZone, wherever you get, car parts or whatever. But I'm gonna leave the link to the description where you can get it on Amazon. I'm pretty sure you can get it there. I'm in the back, and you can control this with your phone via app. So let's see what's inside. Got the instruction manual. Got 4 of these bad boys. Got the sticky things on the back. Got the port. So you can hook up each individual one. The power source, on and off button. You got one of these for each one of the lights. Then you got the power so you can plug it in the cigarette lighter if you don't want to hook it up to the main power. And then you got the one you want to hook it up to the main power. So I think I might end up going this route, but I've never done this before, so bear with me. And then we got the sticky back for the little port. And we got some screws in it too, so you can finally clamp it down. So let's get to it. Alright, now I already decided where I'm gonna put these strips. I've been looking at the car, so I'm gonna put them right underneath here because it's got a more or less a flat surface, and that way it's out of the way, you know what I mean? Or I might end up putting it right here underneath this seat. I really haven't decided yet because I don't want it to, where it moves too much and all that. And here, but I have a hard surface here, so I'm gonna put it right under here and do the same thing on the other side. You know what I mean? It's not like I have to worry about anybody else being in here. One man click, baby. But anyways, I'm going to put it right here, right there, and on the other side. And then once I get all that in, all right, since I'm gonna have all the wires running through the middle, I'm gonna go ahead and put this end out so I can hook up the wire to it. Now I didn't want to. Got it right there. Didn't want to stick to the bottom here, so. This hopefully it stays right there. If not, I'm going to figure something else out. But so far, that's what we got. Let's do the other side. Work on the back. It's a hot mother. It's hot in the valley. It's hot. You can see I'm glistening. Woo. But anyway, let's get to the back seat. Hopefully they stick on there because I had a hard time in the front because it doesn't stick to just anything. So let's hope it sticks to the back. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to find something else, find a different way to do it. But let's do it, man. Back seat time. All right, now I'm where all the magic happens. The back seat. Let's get these other ones put in, man. I'm gonna try to put them in right here on the bottom. I hope, man. I hope everything goes good because I ain't got too many options, back here. But let's see how it goes. Alright, now I'm done putting them all on. I only had trouble none of them except for one, and I don't know, man, I might end up gluing it. I don't know. Right now I just left it on the floor for the time being. We'll see where it goes from there, man. But check it out. Got that one underneath I got that one right underneath the couch right there, and then I got that one on the ground over there. So, but I'll eventually move it. I just don't know what I'm gonna do with it right now. All right, now this little fuse box, well, I guess the imports or whatever, I'm gonna end up putting it right between the seats because I don't want to like drill anything or whatever. So I'm gonna end up putting it right there, and I'll probably just use a sticky back just for now because I don't know if it's gonna be permanent or not. I don't want to drill into anything permanent if I don't have to, but I'm gonna leave it right there with Now I'm gonna run these under the seat. Besides, you can't really see them anyways. It's got something in the front when I'm holding them. So as you see, I ran a clothes hanger through the bottom to make it a lot easier. Get a little piece of tape. You don't need a lot because, I mean, it's not going very far. Alright. After that, get into the front. As you can see, I got them both in the front already, so I'm gonna hook up where they go, and hopefully they reach, man. Alright, I got them installed, they're on. Now the only thing is, I don't have the adapters or anything to hook it up internally, which I'm gonna have to do later. I have to go buy the parts, but for right now I got it hooked up via I got it hooked up to the cigarette lighter right now. So, and you can see it's short, so I'm gonna have to do that regardless. I just gotta go buy the materials to do it, but for right now, man, that's pretty much it. And I gotta install the app and all that. Once I get all the app and all that installed, I'll probably come back and do a little preview. As you can see, I got that one on the ground, and then I got that one over there. So it looks pretty cool, man. I like it. Like I said, I'm over here. I might have to get some glue and try to, you know, get into the top. And I'll be back with y'all with a little, I'll be back with y'all in a little bit to get y'all. All right, YouTube, that was it for the install. Like I said, it was pretty easy, aside from the that one piece not sticking. But it wasn't very hard. I am going to have to come back and install that internally because I don't like having that wire right there in the middle. So I'm going to have to come back and install that. I just got to buy the parts for that. But I'll update you on that whenever that's done. And that was it, YouTube. If y'all like this video, man, I appreciate it. Y'all like and comment down below. Tell me if y'all liked it, didn't like it, whatever, what y'all want to see next. Things like that, man. You know what I'm saying? Share the video, subscribe to the channel. I am the One Man Click, man. I appreciate y'all. This has been Cadillac Chronicles, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Alright, it's a little darker. It's not so light anymore, but check it out. It's the front chain bag. It's the back. So overall, man, I liked it. I really did. So I just gotta get the damn app to work. We'll see how that goes. Till next time, man.